Beach Club Resort. Sadly, it is a rainy Christmas morning and we are headed to Magic Kingdom. So we gotta go out in the rain. We're actually gonna have a fun little breakfast and then Magic Kingdom is in our future. Aloha guys, welcome back to my channel. Mermaid Nina here. Merry Christmas. I realize when you watch this video it won't be Christmas for you, but it is Christmas for me right now. It is Christmas morning and it's about 8:45. We're actually going to start the morning off with a special Christmas breakfast and then we are headed to Magic Kingdom for the day. Now, as I showed you a second ago, it is sadly raining all day long, so not really sure what we're gonna get done, but make sure you guys watch this video if you wanna know what Christmas is like at Magic Kingdom on actual Christmas Day. And then of course we're gonna check out the crowds and wait times and all the things. We're gonna ride, we're gonna hopefully see the parade if it didn't get rained out. So yeah, it's kind of a rainy Christmas morning. We'll see what that's like. Sadly, my husband is still sick. He is in the room. He's been in the room for several days, completely missing this vacation, so we are spending Christmas without him, but we're afraid that if we stay in the room with him, we will also get sick. So we're trying to be healthy and safe, let him recover, and hopefully he can join us again tomorrow, maybe the next day. So anyway, guys, stay tuned as we have a fun breakfast, and then we do Magic Kingdom for Christmas. All right, according to this, we just missed our bus. Eek! But as you can see, the high today is 70. Right now, it feels 67, so yeah, and rainy. All right, here's a quick look at Magic Kingdom at park opening. You can see there's not a lot of people here at the moment. Truth be told, the rain scares a lot of people off. Especially the locals, because they can always say, well, let's go to Magic Kingdom a different day, and then they stay home. So it'll be interesting to see the crowd level because of the rain. But we are headed on the monorail, but we'll be back. We're here for our breakfast. So over here we have Kona Cafe, and across the way is Ohana. Now we usually have breakfast at Ohana, but this year we're doing something different. And of course here's a beautiful look at the lobby for Christmas. Found the Polly's Christmas tree. Here's Maui. All right, we're here for breakfast. We're a little bit early, so we're hoping they seat us early. And if not, we can hang out in the Polynesian. But yeah, we're gonna try Kona Cafe for Christmas breakfast. Let's go. All right, our food came out. This is the plant-based Loco Moco. We've got rice under here with like a sausage gravy and then egg, pico de gallo. My son got some strawberries as usual, and he's pounding some Mickey waffles, and we got some seasoned potatoes on the way. So yeah, that's our food. Pure maple syrup, allergy-based butter. So yeah, we're gonna dig in. Christmas breakfast.
Over here, guys. Yay,
thank you. Merry Christmas. All right, we're in a sea of ponchos and umbrellas. Merry Christmas! I think everyone's waiting for the parade. See if the parade's gonna run in the rain. I'm gonna try to film it for you, but unfortunately that means my camera gets wet, so we're gonna do what we can do. All right, so we're getting the rainy day Christmas cavalcade. It's rainy day. Merry Christmas, rainy day. Castle still looks lovely. It's all decorated for Christmas, even when it rains. What's that saying? Better rainy day at Disney than a normal sunny day at home? I don't know. One of those comments, right? Alright, we made it to Adventureland. We do have a pass for Jungle Cruise, aka Jingle Cruise. Sea of Ponchos continue here throughout the Magic Kingdom. Alright guys, we have a pass for Jingle Cruise, thank goodness. Standby is 85, even in the rain. So it's not keeping anyone away to have to wear ponchos at Disney World. But yeah, let's go do this, a Jingle Cruise.
Alright, now over here we were supposed to have a holiday party waiting for you. Unfortunately, nobody showed up, which is really unfortunate because I'm still sitting on there. Yeah, been trying for weeks to get that thing started, but they got it to turn over. Alright, now we're gonna on the rocks. I'm kidding, they're babysitting. That zebra right there, he's just pretending to sleep to avoid talking to his extended family. Hey, that's how I avoid my family during the holidays. I don't know about you. Now, right over here, that's a little awkward, isn't it? Yeah, a little bit. We're gonna move into Crocodile Country. You guys can help me out here. There's a big one sitting over here. His name is Old Smiley. If you get out of the boat and you find that your feet are wet and heavy, you probably got out on the wrong side. Climb back in, try it again. You got a 50-50 chance of getting it right. Some lady came in, asked me to check her balance. So I gave her a little shove. She fell right over. And at the end of that. Alright folks, well, I enjoyed having you all. Hope you all enjoyed being had. Oh, I completely forgot to do my New Year's joke.
Alright, we're here in Magic Kingdom as you can tell, and I've got my big old poncho on me. But we just got off the Jingle Cruise, and I have a question for you. Leave it in the comments. Right in front of us, a family of about 10 people who were in the standby lane went underneath the rope to skip to basically be in the Genie Plus lane. It happened right in front of us. It was a family of 10. What would you do? Would you just let them cheat? Would you tell a cast member? What would you do? Let me know in the comments. About a few minutes later, they realized that someone may have told, and they slowly exited the ride and didn't end up riding. So someone did tell. I'm just curious what you guys would do. So yeah, let me know in the comments. But up next, Haunted Mansion, that's what we have a pass for, so let's go. All right, on our way to Haunted Mansion, we've got Tiana's Bayou Adventure here. So since the last time I was here, they've added a bunch of greenery. We've got some trees brewing up here, some flowers. It looks very pretty in person. And of course the tiara's been up for a few. But yeah, it's definitely coming along. Stand by. 65 minutes. We did backtrack a little bit due to times and passes and stuff, but off we go. Ooh, it's 30 minutes. Earlier we walked by and it was 45. It's always changing.
Tell him, Carlos, don't be cheeky.
Some candied nuts for Christmas. Num nums.
What's on now? Let's get on with the show.
Now, be patient.
Yeah, we ain't going anywhere anyhow. We're kind of hung up here.
Give me a little intro there, Cobra.
o'clock parade, which we're hoping, crossing our fingers, is the Once Upon a Christmas Time parade like it's supposed to be. There is a chance it will be the rainy day parade. But yeah, we're waiting here about 30 minutes early. As you can see, there's still plenty of spots. But again, we don't know what parade we're gonna get, so cross your fingers. corner. Eek! All right, Seven Dwarf Mine Train is 105, which is pretty typical. But the lightning lane is wrapped around the corner there. So they got a lot of people using the lightning lane. But we got Winnie the Pooh up ahead. So let's see what that wait time is. All right, Winnie the Pooh, 55 minutes.
We treated us as
Wednesday.
If you ask me, he'll never reach that tree.
Why me? Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Roo. Hooray for Pooh, too.
That's not the party without me.
All right, we have 40 minutes till our next pass. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna ride the train, starting at Fantasyland Station.
And I'm so glad to have you with us. Next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children. Fantasyland before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love riding this train. But for those times I'm fixing for something a bit surprising. Thunder out in this place. Because the trains have a mind of their own.
Next pass, the Little Mermaid. I don't know what standby is, but all the rides are pretty long today. It was 45 earlier.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover.
Red lines.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future. Right by two of my favorite spots.
see, it's a whole bunch of people here waiting for the same thing. But yeah, can't wait.
Merry Christmas!
Happy holidays!
We wish you the merriest, the merriest.
The merriest? Yes, the merriest!
We wish you the merriest, the merriest, the merriest Yule cheer. May your tree be filled with happiness, happiness for all.
May your heart be filled with friendliness.
With happiness and cheerfulness and friendliness for all. We wish you the happiest, the happiest, the happiest, yes, the happiest. We wish you the merriest, the merriest, the merriest Yule cheer. It's the most merriest time of the year. It's all for you, my dear. Christmas isn't Christmas till you get here. Christmas isn't Christmas till you get here. Christmas isn't Christmas till you get here. Miss Clarabelle Cow!
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. Sing it with me, dear.
All I want for Christmas is you.
Well, looky there!
All I want for Christmas is you.
¡Feliz Navidad, amigos! Soy Luigi! ¡Feliz Navidad!
Welcome to the party.
¡Haha! The three caballeros reunited again for the holidays! Time to celebrate!
All right, amigos, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Those Christmas bells, what a great time we'll have, a lovely time, oh ring those Christmas bells.
Some folks like to hear a Christmas song.
But I like Christmas bells that go ding dong. Jingle, 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 or just bing bong.
I love to hear 'em ring, oh ring, ring, ring those Christmas bells, oh ring, ring, ring those Christmas bells.
Surprise!
It's Santa and Mrs. Claus.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Here comes Santa Claus, right down
Thank you so much for being here. We're just thrilled to be with all of you this season. Oh, it's my favorite time of the year. And you know what? With all of us together, I just know something wonderful is about to happen. Oh my! There's magic in the air! I just love the holidays. The snowball fights and hot chocolate, cozy fires, and mistletoe. But my favorite part is getting to share it all with the ones I love. time of year. I'm so happy we get to share it with all of you. And there there's no better time to celebrate than right now. Truly are the special moments, like this one, that we share with special friends. We take these moments and we turn them into memories. Memories we can cherish forever and ever. And that's the kind of magic that only happens when we're all together.
Sure, it's nice to open a gift that's tied up with a perfect bow. All around the Christmas tree, there'll be dreams coming true. But when we're together, then my favorite gift is you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. 'Cause when we're together, it's a holiday every night. And when we're together,
Bye bye, Magic Kingdom. See you real soon. As in like a couple of days. But yeah, we're following the herd. I feel like cattle sometimes. All trying to get to the bus. All I have to say is finally. Yes.
All right, guys, that's it for us. We are finally back in our hotel room. Pajamas are on and we're ready to fall asleep. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this Christmas Day at Magic Kingdom video. I tried my best to show you the crowds and the wait times, but also the fun, right? We saw two completely different parades, right? We saw the stage show, the fireworks. We did some rides with some overlays. We just kind of winged it and had a great time. We did use Genie Plus. Yeah, today it was $39. But we were able to do a pretty decent amount of rides, even if we didn't do any of the crazy coasters, right? My husband is sick, and we just did kind of calm and easy rides that the kids and I really love. We were just trying to get through the day here. But I think we had a pretty fabulous Christmas day. Let me know in the comments. The crowds were obnoxious, especially during the show and the fireworks. All the people show up for those. So yeah, if you want to avoid the crowds, you definitely want to avoid those two things. But yeah, we had a great Christmas Day at Magic Kingdom. So I hope this gives you some insight, not only on Christmas Day at Magic Kingdom, but basically Christmas week at the theme parks. And that's why I show you guys this footage. So if you are planning a Christmas vacation, hopefully this gives you some insight on not only what you can look forward to, but what you need to plan for, right? So anyway, guys, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If the subscribe button is red, please click it, turn it gray, hit the bell icon for notifications, like this video, and comment pretty please. Like I said, share with family and friends who you know are thinking about going to Disney World over the holidays. And as long as you know what you're doing and you're planning and preparing, you can have a fabulous time just like we did. A lot of magic happened despite the crowds and the rain, crazy rain today. I mean, it's not ideal, but you make the most of it. So anyway, guys, Merry Christmas and mahalo for watching. Nina out. Bye, guys.